Good morning, guys. So, welcome to this episode of a productive morning routine in my life. So, the first thing when I wake up, I ensure that I make my bed, and this is something that I've been doing for the longest because I feel like even if your room is neat but then your bed is not made, it makes no sense. So, yeah. And then after that, I changed into my yoga outfit for today. And then I opened the curtains for the light because I really love light, guys. Like, I just love my room well lit and stuff. So I opened the curtain. And then I also opened the window so that fresh, clean air can get into my room. And then nowadays I hydrate a lot in the morning hours. And I just love drinking a lot of water during the morning hours. I don't know why, but yeah. And then I go ahead to choose a yoga video that I'm going to use because I started this last week. So I have to use a YouTube video so that I can do what they're doing. So today I was following a 7 minutes yoga video, and I honestly love yoga because it involves a lot of stretching, and that's my aim, like to just move my body in the morning so that I can be prepared and be active for the rest of the day. So I'm finding it so helpful and I love it, guys. Like, I just think this is one of the best things that I've started during this time, like of the year or something. So after I'm done with my yoga session, okay, that's me yawning, but I just yawn so many times in the morning. This is a quick glimpse of my yoga outfit for today. I really like it. It's my favorite one actually for now. I then go ahead and fetch some water so that I can boil it in my kettle so that I can take a bath because I can't shower with cold water. And then today I was to have fruits for breakfast, so I went ahead and cleaned them. So now this is me after taking a bath and I want to brush my teeth. Okay, I go ahead to brush my teeth and I love my skin glow in the morning, and then I just apply some Vaseline and on my lips, and that's basically it. And today I was just going to stay in this robe because I was to head out in 2 hours, so I just stayed with it until it was time to head out. That is when I changed into the outfit that I was going to wear that day. And then I go ahead and have my breakfast. As I told you guys, today I was having these fruits because I bought them some few days back, so I wanted them to be over. And so in case you don't know, guys, I am a lover of fruits. Like, I can take fruits whenever, just anytime. So especially I just love them so much in the morning. So and I love my fruits well prepared, well sliced and in a cute bowl just for the aesthetics. And by the way, guys, I do this routine while listening to some music because I just love listening to some hit songs in the morning because it just sets the whole mood for the day. Like, you're just jovial and stuff. Okay, it works for me, so I love doing that. And then I just go ahead and have my breakfast, and I love staring at the window. I love staying by the window, guys. I don't know why, I don't know how I can explain this, but I just love it. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel.